Hello friends, welcome to all of you at Pre Dance Academy. Today I am going to teach dance step on the second portion of the song Lenga. So in this video, first I will show you dance step on this portion, and after that I will teach you step by step on counting. So let's start music. Now it's time to learn the dance step on counting. The next line of the song is Kitho saja tere li sare suit puraniya. So in this case, I will move my right leg in a forward direction followed by the left leg. So this is a 1 and 2. So in this case, you will move your slight hip movement. You will show the slight movement of your hips and this 1, 2. At 3 and 4, you will tilt your body toward the right side at 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 5, 6, you will move your right leg in a forward, at 6 backward direction. 5, 6. At 7 and 8, you will cross over your left leg with your right leg at 7 and 8. So this is the footwork for the line Kitho saja tere li sare suit puraniya. So hand movement for this. So I will join both the hands in this manner and rotate in opposite direction. So in this case, first of all, I will keep my both the hand just above the shoulder and rotate at 1 and then come down just close to the hip at 2. So 1, 2. At 3 and 4, I will move my both the hands toward inward side. This is 3 and 4. I will keep my right hand just close to the head, 3 and 4. So this is 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. I will move my both the hands in upward position. 5, 6. At 7 and 8, I will keep my left hand toward the upward position and right hand in downward position. This is 7 and 8. So the hand movement and foot work together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is a line Kitho saja tere li sare suit puraniya. So next line again, Hai puraniya menu lenga. So in this case, I will repeat the same step as I have done in a previous step at 5, 6, 7, 8. The only difference is that first of all, I will take up one circle. So this is next 1, 2, 3 and 4. At 5 and 6, 7, 8, I will do the dipping step. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So when I will do the dip step, then at 5 and 6, I will keep my body toward the left side at 5, 6 and 7, 8 toward the right side. So this is a 5, 6, 7, 8. So hand movement for this for 5, 6, 7, 8, I will move my, this is the right hand from downward to upward position. At 5, 6, I will touch my right shoulder with the, that is the right little finger. This is a 5 and 6. At 7, same I will repeat with the left hand. This is 7 and 8. So the hand movement is, for the hand movement and footwork for this line is to take a circle. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a high pranaya, menu lenga. So next line is menu lenga lede menga ja mar janeya. So in this case I will move my right leg for in this manner. 1, 2, 3, 4 with a slight movement of my hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is menu lenga lede menga ja mar janeya. So in this case at 5, 6, 7, 8. At 5 you will have to jump 2 times. This is a 5, 5, 6 and 5 at 5 you will have to jump 2 times. At 6 you will keep stand straight without movement of any leg. So at 5, 1, 2, then at 6 keep stand straight. So don't show the movement of your leg. Again 7, again we will jump. This is 7 and again at 8 don't show movement of leg. This is 8. This is so footwork for this line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the hand movement is you will move both the hands in upward position. This is a 1, then downward 2. Same I will repeat at 3 and 4. At 5 you will move your both the hand upward and downward position 2 times. 5 and 6 keep your both the hands on your waist. So when you keep your both the hands on a waist, you will turn your face toward the backward position. So 5, 6, then again 7 and 8. So this is a hand movement for this line. Now the hand movement and footwork together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And next line is enne paise dastu kithe leke jane. So in this case the footwork is I will move my right leg toward the right side. Next 1, then toward the left side. This is 2. That's 3 and 4. This is 3, 4. At 5 and 6 I will jump toward the right side 2 times. This is a 5, 6. At 7 and 8 I will take a circle. 7 and 8. So this is the footwork. Next the hand movement for this line is. So next I will keep my both the hands in forward direction and do in this manner. This is a 1, 2. 1, 2. At 3 and 4 I will keep my both the hands just parallel to my shoulder and move in this manner. This is 3, 4. At 5 and 6 I will keep my both the hands toward the right side and move in this manner. This is 5, 6. Then at tick circle. This is by keeping your both the hands just parallel to my shoulder. So now the hand movement and footwork together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next same line will repeat again. Menu lenga lede menga ja mar janeya enne paise dastu kithe leke janeya. Now I will do the different step on this line. So in this case I will move my right leg in a forward and backward position toward the left side. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. At 5 and 6 I will do the dipping step. This is a 5, 6, 7, 8. So the hand movement for this I will move my both the hands first in forward and backward direction. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4. At 5 and 6, 7, 8 I will keep my hands in this position. This is a 5, 6, then 5, 6, then 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is again now the footwork and the hand movement together. So मैनू लहंगा लै दे महंगा जामर जाने। सो इन दिस केस 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 इन्ने पैसे दस तू किथे लेके जाने। सो फुटवर्क इज I will keep my right leg in a forward and backward position. Same I will repeat with the left leg for 1 2 3 4. So this is 1 2 3 4. At 5 6 I will move toward the forward direction with the help of jumping. This is a 5 6 7 8. So the hand movement for this line is, this one is I will keep my left hand toward the left side and move my right hand from left to right side. This is a 1 2. Next same I will repeat with the right hand by keeping my right hand toward the right side, and this is 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4. At 5 6 7 8 I will move my both the hands from downward to upward position. This is a 1 6 7 8. So the line is कि इन्ने पैसे दस तू किथे लेके जाने। So hand movement and footwork together. So this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And the last line is वे मर जाने, हाय वे मर जाने। So in this case I will tilt my body toward the right side and keep my, this is a right hand just close to my heart and left hand in a downward position. 1 2 3 4 I will tilt toward the left side by doing this manner. This is a 3 4. Again 5 6 and 7 8 I will take a circle. So this is a hand movement and footwork or all the lines that I have shown you in a previous one. So I hope that you must have enjoyed this video. So please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you.